guys, this is Noah from K&N Detailing. Today we're working on this 2003 Super Air Nautique. We're going to give it a full interior and exterior deep cleaning, some polishing to restore this yellow, bring it back to like new condition. Follow along as we get to work, make it shine. Now that we got the cover off, we got all the loose debris off, we can finally get a good look at its current condition, start getting it cleaned up. So we got the entire boat cleaned up inside and out. We finally got to the major step of polishing. Finally showing its true colors, really shining. We'll cut to some clips showing off this shine. It's been a long day of work, but we're finally finished restoring this 2003 Super Air Nautique, and it's looking incredible. We got this yellow and black shining again, back to its original color. We also got the interior all cleaned up, feeling like new again. If you or any of your friends need your vehicle or boat detailed, feel free to reach out to us at any time. Give us a call or a text at 407-666-9795. We're a local business here in Conway. We'd love to help you out.